Another Christmas day will come and go away. I got so far to go, but I wanna go home. I need to go home. Maybe surrounded by strangers and Christmas lights, shouldn't feel so alone, but I wanna go home. Gotta miss you, you know. I can close my eyes and see the angel on the tree, a blanket of snow outside, and all my friends and family. And though I know that you're no farther than a call away, I need to see your face. A call could never be the same. Another Christmas day will come and go away. I won't leave you alone, and I wanna go home. I've got to go home. Let me go home. I'm just too far from where you are. I wanna come home. Now the reason I'm so far away ain't good enough. Whatever they need me for, I know that I need you more. So I'll do the things I've gotta do to get back to you. I need you to believe I'll make it back by Christmas Eve. Another Christmas day will come and go away, and I won't leave you alone. I'm gonna be home. I'm gonna come home. Though I'm surrounded by this cold December night, I feel so alone. I'm gonna go home. Babe, I miss you, you know. Let me go home. I've had my run, baby, I'm done. I'm coming back home. Let me go home. It'll be alright when I'm holding you tight, 'cause it's Christmas, I'm home.